Hi, I'm Matthew Wood. I'm running for Senate in Colorado, and I want to take a moment to talk about ICE and immigration. I've seen a lot of people talking about wanting to just have ICE abolished because of the misconduct that we've seen with them over the past year. And while I do agree that there does need to be some sort of a change, we can't just ignore one problem while trying to solve another problem. And we do need to acknowledge that there is also an issue with immigration within this country. And if we just abolish ICE, then the problem with immigration can and probably will get worse. So we can't just forget about immigration because ICE is a problem. We need to look into being able to reform ICE to do what they're supposed to be doing in a way that they should be doing it instead of going about it the way that they have been. There are issues within our immigration system. Some of the people that we have that are here illegally are here because our process is a slow moving one. They're trying to go through the legal means, and there are a bunch of hurdles and steps that they have to just sit and wait for them to process through. And some of those individuals are allowed to be here even though they are undocumented based off of going through the process. And we need to be able to separate the people from the buzzwords that are getting thrown around in the media and stuff like that. If we just lump everybody into one group and just call them undocumented or illegals, it dehumanizes people. And everybody has their own story into what they're doing and why they're doing it. And not everybody that is here undocumented is here as some sort of a threat or here for nefarious means. So we need to be able to improve our current immigration system to get people that are trying to go through the process to be able to get through it in a more timely manner. But we also need to make sure that our enforcement agents aren't going around abusing due process or US citizens or any of the other things that we've been seeing currently. So I would like to see a change with ICE, but I feel like abolishing them would be going a little too far.